Well, ladies and gentlemen, say hi, Monkey. Hi, Paul. Today, the temperature is 11.3 inside, 6.9 outside. It's quite chilly. Been quite chilly the last few days. Like my beautiful little thistle picture. Just take you through what's occurring, what's growing. We have my persimmons from 3 different suppliers. These were the most expensive on the left. Middle of the road, Mr. Fothergill's. Then the end, I forgot the name of those, but all doing really, really well. And then as we come over here, we have Echinacea, which is growing really well. Petunias, nothing is growing at the moment. I'll get the odd one there. Then at the end, Gypsophilia. Then here we have Verbena. And then Delphiniums that need potting on. Then we have Bee Balm and a couple of Dahlias. Over here, my thermostat, we have my Arboritas that are all growing really, really well there. And then here we have my Genums. As you can see, everything's growing nicely. And then under here we have my Polyanthus, which are all germinating really, really nicely. Over here we have my poppies that I had to reseed. They're all growing really well. And we come down here, my little heated growing area with my LED lights. I've got 3, I think the T5 battens, they're double battens there. Really, really low energy. And I've got this set at 25, and that is because I'm growing. I've got some banana seeds, 5 in there, but the Dahlia's really enjoying that. There's really growing really, really well. Next to that, we have my carnations that have been potted on. These are all growing really nicely. And then there, we have some Veronicas, which is great. Then over here, my begonias, plugs, that have grown really, really well. And these are my geraniums, my perennial geraniums. These are called Orchid Blue, those. So yeah, everything is growing really, really well. I'm really happy with everything. I actually found these underneath my bench. I might try and put these on. I actually got a bit of growth on. I've got some begonias then, and a couple of dahlias that have got a little bit of growth on them. So I might try potting those later on. So yeah, that's how everything's occurring, everything's growing. If you've got any questions about anything growing in my greenhouse, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody. Say bye, Monkey. Bye, Paul. Bye, Monkey.